Take a look at that. It's the reason why they call it honey bun cake, because you got to put honey in it. It's not a honey bun cake if you don't put honey in it. So I know you want me to try it. I already know that, so I'm going to try it. Bye. Salutations, chefs. We in the kitchen again. Now, I know everybody is quarantined. Everybody is quarantined. Some people still have curfews, okay? Now, I know, it's many things that you can get in your kitchen and make. I know everybody don't want to eat no sweets because they don't want to gain no weight. They don't want to break their diet. But people, whenever there's a special occasion, you know what I'm saying? It could be somebody's birthday, an anniversary. I don't know, maybe somebody getting married. Maybe somebody getting divorced. It don't even matter. The perfect idea for baking would be a honey bun cake. You hear me? And I got special ingredient in here. So you better hang around so you can see this. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. people. It's not a honey bun cake if you don't put honey in it. You hear me? Let's go. Moist, just like that. In with the fork. Take a look at that. You see that? Into the mouth. Wait a minute. That's it. This is real good. Simple recipe from the box. Cinnamon is not too pungent, just enough to make it comfortable in your mouth. Brown sugar goodness. The icing with that secret ingredient in there. Tell your mama about this. Now you make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below so I know what you're thinking. And share this video with your friends because they're going to enjoy this. 1-in-1.